What's new in Power Apps? April 2025 updates. Boost your productivity with the latest Power Apps features. AI-powered development. Streamline CLI workflows with the new Actions pane for Power Pages sites in VS Code Desktop, reducing the need to switch tools. Enterprise-grade governance. Gain deeper insights into Dataverse environments with the general availability of audit settings via the Security Compliance Center in Power Platform. Intelligent apps. Customize Copilot Chat for standalone model-driven apps by extending it with knowledge sources and topics, coming soon in public preview. Learning and documentation. Access the newly launched Microsoft Power Platform and Copilot Studio Architecture Center, your one-stop hub for all architecture-related resources within the Power Platform and Copilot Studio ecosystems. Stay tuned for more Power Apps updates.